You want to work out, but you don't want to sweat, you don't want to use equipment, and you don't even want to put on shoes. This is for you. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome to this amazing workout that I know you're going to love. This is a barefoot, no sweating, no equipment workout that is going to really sculpt and strengthen you in all of the right places. So this is a little snippet of my full-length workout that can be found exclusively inside my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation. If you haven't already checked out this system, then I really encourage you to. We'll leave the information up here and also down below in the description box. We would love to welcome you into our amazing community of women next. So without further ado, you don't need to grab anything. Let's just get into this and come on back when you're done because I've got more for you. So let's move on. We're going to start with our arms up. We're going to go into a big plie. Bring the elbows in, reach it out. Notice the rotation that I'm doing with my hands here. 3, and 4. Keep on going here. 5. That's it. And 6. Abdominals deep here. 7. And 8. Good. Now pull it down here in just a small pulse. And 2. That's it. And 3. And 5. 7. Do one more set like that and pulse it. And 3. Nice and low. Really feel that work. And 7. Let's do that again. We go down and up. That's it. And down and up. You got it. 3. And 4. Good. Beautiful here. And 5. Really stretching and strengthening. 6. 7. Woo. And last one. Good. Bring it down into that small pulse. Go lower. 2. Your booty's underneath you. It's not sticking out here. And 7. Do it again. And pulse. And 3. Abs tight. 4. And 6 and 7. Okay, good. Lift your heel and rotate. Then back to that second position. Do it again. Lift that heel and rotate. And back to second position. 2 more like that. Rotate. Back to that second position. And rotate. And back to that second position. Now go back into that little lunge here. With the arm closest to me, I want you to pull it back. And pull it back. You are not changing your hips. And 3, so we're isolating the obliques here. And 4, good, that's it. 5, and 6, you got it. 7, and stay here, pulse it. 2, 3, good, really squeeze, feel that work, those lines. 7, do it again, and a little pulse. And 2, squeeze. 3, 4, good. 5, 6, 7, and good. We lengthen into that lunge. We lift the leg and the arms. Lengthen into that lunge. Slow, controlled lift. Do it again. Lengthen into that lunge. Slow, controlled lift. And lengthen. Very good. Slow lift. Do it again. Lengthen. And lift, lift, lift. It's not about the height, it's about the control here. Lift, lift, lift. If you're feeling like control is good though, feel free, get it up there. Lift, lift, lift. One more. And this last one, I want you to hold it here and now just pulse it. 2, 3, and 5, 7. Now see if you can do the arms as well. Up, everything up. 2, 3, and 5, 7, and good. And come back to that second position, arms up. We plie and up. Get that rotation, plie. So it's not much sweat, right? And 3, you might feel a little bit. And 4, good. Keep going here. 5, and 6, excellent. 7, and good. Come down and little pulse. And 2, abs tight. 3, ribs are wrapping around so they're not popping out like a chicken. 7, do that again. And a little pulse. And 2, and 4, good, that's it. And 6, 7, back up again. We go up and down, that's it. And up and down, you've got it. 3, and 4, good, nice. And 5, keep going here. 6, beautiful. 2 more. 7, last one, stay down here, come down again and pulse. And 2, that's it. And 3, woo, 5, and 7. Can you go a little lower and pulse it? 2, your thighs are gonna say thank you tomorrow. And 5 and 6, and now 4 times slow. We lift the heel and rotate. We go back to that second position. Lift the heel and rotate. And second position. Good, do it again. And rotate. And second, one more time like that. And rotate. And second position. Now stay in that rotation. Lengthen into that lunge. Shift the weight forward. That's it. Deepening into that lunge. Lengthen and lift. That's it. 3. Very good. Lengthen and lift. Nice control here. 4. And lift, lift, lift. 4 more. Down. That's it. And lift, lift, lift. Don't lose your balance like I almost did. And lift, lift, lift. 2 more here. This side is always a little bit harder for me. Lift. But lately it's like, what's the good side? Who knows anymore? And lift. Now stay here and pulse up. And 2, 3, 5, 7. Now can you pulse the arms too? And pulse, just do what you can. 2 and 3, and 4, that's it. 5 and 6 and 7, and excellent. Good work there. Okay, wasn't that so great? I love doing workouts like this that really give you that sculpting, that strengthening without ruining your hair, ruining your makeup, or just making you feel like exhausted, because that is not the point. You know, one of the biggest mistakes that most women make is that they think that in order to get results from their workout, they have to do crazy things in order to really transform their body. And by now, you know that that is not the case. So I want to encourage you right now, today, like at this moment, go ahead and grab my free cheat sheet right now. I'll leave it up here and also down below in the description box. This really breaks down the biggest mistakes that most women make when it comes to getting fit. And the worst part is they don't even know that they're making them. And I don't want that to be the case for you. So go ahead and check out and grab your free cheat sheet today. And if you want to still keep hanging out with me here on YouTube, make sure to check out this video next, and I'll see you there.